Construction of similar triangles. Okay, 4.1 exercise we are going to do similar triangles. First chapter we are learning that one word, similarity of triangles. Okay, they are similar triangles, their corresponding sides of the triangle are in proportion. That is, AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN. Okay, they are in proportion. Okay, based on that we have to do this construction. See, the triangle ABC and LMN are entirely common vertices is not there, entirely two different triangles. Therefore, we have all the three sides of the triangle ABC is given. From the given ratio, we have to calculate what the sides of the triangle LMN by using the principle or the property of similar triangles. Okay, first some calculations are there, then analytical diagram we have to do, then construct triangle ABC and LMN. Therefore, analytical 2 triangles and proper construction 2 triangles. Therefore, total 4 triangles we have to draw. First we have to do the little calculation for this. Okay, first calculation we have to do. Okay, listen girls. First, what is given to you? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. It is given in the question paper. You have to write this. If you are not writing, you will lose half mark. Because they are similar, we can write CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. That is AB upon what? LM. AB upon LM is equal to, next, BC upon what will come? MN. Okay, MN is equal to, next one is AC upon LN, last side, LN. Okay, what is the reason? CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. But what we know here, what is given? BC upon, okay, BC upon MN is given to you. Okay, BC upon MN is given to you. Therefore, we have to substitute that. Okay, BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. The ratio is given to you again. Now, substitute the value here. What is given in the question paper? That is AB. What is AB? 5.5. 5.5 upon LM you don't know. What is BC? 6 upon MN you don't know. This is the ratio given. This one we cannot put it here. We have to find out MN separately. Then you see AC is given 4.5 upon LN. Because BC upon MN is given 5 upon 4, we can write is equal to 5 upon 4. Now we have to calculate it. We have to find out LN separately, MN separately and LN separately. Take one by one. Okay, therefore 5.5 upon, okay, 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, 5 into LM is equal to 5.5 into 4. Therefore, LM is equal to 5.5 into 4 divided by 5. Divide by 5. 5, this is 1.1. 1.1 into 4 is equal to, LM is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Okay, put in box. We need it for construction. Second one, see. 6 upon MN is equal to, again, 5 upon 4. Cross multiply. 5 into MN is equal to 6 into 4. Therefore, Mn is equal to 6 into 4 upon 5. That is equal to 24 upon 5 is equal to mn is equal to 5 4s are 20. Therefore 4 times 0.8. Okay, 40 will come 0.8 centimeter. Again we need this value for the construction of the triangle LMN. Then the last one, this one, okay, that is 4.5 upon Ln is equal to 5 upon 4. Cross multiply. 5 into Ln is equal to 4 into 4.5. Therefore Ln is equal to 4 into 4.5 upon 5. 5 and this cancel. What you will get? 0.9. Therefore is equal to Ln is equal to 3.6. Okay, 3.6 centimeter. We got the three sides. Now rough diagram we have to draw the rough diagram construction. Okay, therefore first we have to draw the rough diagram. Listen girls, first we have to simply draw the rough diagram, okay, without any measurement. Okay, therefore I am drawing that, but base should be on the same plane. Okay, same level it should be. First I am triangle ABC I am drawing. Okay, just a symbol. Then the another one, because 5 upon 4 ratio, therefore second triangle is bigger. Okay, second triangle is bigger. What is the ratio? You know, triangle AB, that is BC. BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore the first triangle is bigger. Okay, this is big, and second triangle LMN is smaller. Therefore, okay, this is a smaller. If the ratio coming ulta, just opposite it will come. Therefore required triangle is smaller. LMN. This is ABC. Then write the this measurement. Okay, AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter from the question. Then here what we found out. Okay, that is first one is what? LM is 4.4 centimeter. This is 4.8 centimeter. This is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, now we have to do the construction on seeing the which one, the rough diagram, analytical diagram. Therefore this is the analysis. Okay, this is analysis. Then come to the construction. Listen, again we have to draw the base, same level, the base of the first two triangles. See the base. First one is, what is the measurement? 6 centimeter. Therefore BC 6 centimeter. Next one 4.8. Okay, take 4.8. Okay, name immediately. This is BC. You have to use pencil. Okay girls, and here it is MN. This is 4.8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now take the ruler and your rounder. Normal construction of triangle. 5.5. Take 5.5. See, 5.5 from B. Draw the arc. 4.5 take. 4.5. Draw the arc. What you will get? The vertex A. Join the, you use the pencil. Immediately write the measurement 4.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. Next, the required triangle LM. How much? 4.4. 4.4. LM 4.4, draw the arc. Then 3.6. 3.6. Okay, again that point is L. Therefore, join. Use the pencil, please, and writing also with the pencil only. This is what? 4.4 centimeter. You cannot use the eraser for construction chapter. Okay, therefore we got the triangle. Therefore now we got triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. If the ratio, what is the ratio? BC upon MN is equal to 5/4. Okay, 4 triangles we are getting. See, 4 triangles. This is rough diagram. This is the original construction. Okay, similarly, see in your example, in your 4.1 third sum homework. There the angle, 2 triangles are given. Triangle RST. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ, and angle Y is given 40 degree. Angle Y is 40 degree means which angle will become 40 degree? Angle S will become 40 degree because CAST. Other 2 sides are also given. Similarly, you have it to draw it. Okay, first do 2 calculation, 2 sides you have it to calculate, and then we have to do what? The angle is there, then construct it. 2 analytical diagram, 2 proper diagram. See, on the same line you have it to same plane, same level, the base should be there. Then one more practice sum you can do, page number 92. Page 92, one practice sum is given. Do that also. The practice sum also you can do. Construction. These are vertices are different. See, R, S, T, X, Y, Z. Entirely different one. Next construction, common vertex. One vertex will be common. That is different. Therefore, I am not mixing all these things. The next video I will do with the common vertex construction. Okay, these 3 you do. Okay, practice today itself and write, draw it in your notebook. We will check once school reopens.